During the Siege of Valoya, Genghis Khan faced formidable walls hindering his advance. Seeking an unconventional approach, he proposed a peculiar bargain to his foes. In exchange for lifting the siege, he demanded 1,000 cats and birds. Oblivious to the true intent behind the request, the ruler of Valoya agreed. Little did they know, Khan had a cunning plan in mind. He ordered his troops to attach oil-soaked cotton to the tails of the cats and set them ablaze. Frightened by the flames, the panicked animals dashed back into the city, inadvertently igniting widespread fires in the predominantly wooden structures. The defenders, caught off guard by the sudden infernos, found themselves overwhelmed by chaos. Exploiting the confusion, the Mongol forces launched a relentless assault, easily conquering the city amidst the flames and turmoil.